Demystifying Inverse Functions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into an intriguing topic in the realm of algebra, inverse functions. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong grasp of what inverse functions are and how to work with them. In simple terms, an inverse function is a function that undoes the work of another function. Imagine you have a machine that turns apples into juice. The inverse of this machine would turn juice back into apples. Similarly, in math, if you have a function that takes a number and adds 5, its inverse would subtract 5. Key takeaway: an inverse function reverses the operations of the original function. When we talk about inverse functions, we often use a special notation. If our original function is called f(f)(f), its inverse is denoted as f minus 1 f caret minus 1 f minus 1. However, don't confuse this with an exponent. This notation simply represents the inverse. Remember, f minus 1 x f caret minus 1 x f minus 1 x is not the same as 1 f x frac 1 f x f x 1. To find the inverse of a function, 1. Swap the x and y variables. If your function is y equals f x, y equals f x, y equals f x, rewrite it as x equals f y, x equals f y, x equals f y. 2. Solve for y. This new function will be your inverse function. 3. Check your work by plugging the inverse function into the original function, or vice versa. If you get xxx as your output, you've done it right. Example: let's take the function y equals 2x plus 3y equals 2x plus 3y equals 2x plus 3. By swapping xxx and y, we get x equals 2y plus 3x equals 2y plus 3x equals 2y plus 3. Solving for y, we get y equals x minus 32y equals frac x3 2 y equals 2x minus 3. This is our inverse function. When you graph a function and its inverse on the same coordinate plane, you'll notice something special. They're symmetrical about the line y equals xy equals xy equals x. This line acts like a mirror, reflecting the original function to its inverse. Practice tip: try sketching a function and its inverse on graph paper. Draw the line y equals xy equals xy equals x and observe the symmetry. Inverse functions may seem daunting at first, but with practice, they become a valuable tool in your mathematical toolkit. Always remember the steps to find the inverse and the unique symmetry they hold on a graph. We hope this video shed light on the captivating world of inverse functions. Keep practicing, and stay curious.